God, you're worse than my family.
With left and right?
Yeah.
Well, it's when it goes up and down.
It must be a woman thing. Oh, hang on, I've got an idea. I got it. I felt it move.
We wanted his muscle power, but...
Which means on the case, which means on the case. God damn it!
Did you get the paddock stand back?
Bastard.
Cool to do it with, which I don't understand.
I'm getting oil on my hands, for God's sake.
Being girls is always the flipping problem. We can't get the bolts loose.
It's mad, isn't it? But it is. It's definitely easier at the moment than when I started, so... See, there we go, much easier, so we must be making
Getting
some sort
somewhere,
of headway.
yeah.
Tell you what, where's Yost and Guy when you need them?
I hate it when I hear that sound. Fuck it.
Don't worry, it's just on the Allen key. The bolt is far too secure to be doing on this.
I'm promising you now, if this bike doesn't run this weekend, I'm burning it.
No, you bloody
I'm
you're
so
not.
sick of bloody everything going wrong. It's making me sick.
Yeah, that's it, it's loose now.
It's
loose! Hallelujah! Oh, fuck.
Oh my god!
No.
Janine, fuck's sakes!
Well, what the hell am I supposed to do?
Oh, for fuck's sake.
No, it was already broken, honey.
No way.
Have a look, it's clear in there.
No, but that's because we just fucking sheared the fucking bolt off. Oh, Jesus Christ. What the fuck are we going to do now?
Alright. There's no way that was going to be avoided. I'm really sorry, but how the hell else are you supposed to get these bolts off?